Hey. So, it is Jen Eden. If you're tired of hearing me say who I am, too bad, because it is so important for those who are just finding me to know I'm just not another one of those people on YouTube spewing out stuff with nothing to back it. I am a 20-year certified health coach. I am the founder of a trademarked method called the Sugar Freedom Method, where you learn to live happy, lean, and free without giving up your favorite stuff, because I too do still eat sugar. It is not about that. It is about learning how to control it. Okay, now, today. This one is really important, especially because as I almost reach the ripe old age of 50, and many of my followers are between 40s into their 60s and 70s, I find what's most important to us right now, other than still feeling and looking good in our clothing, yes, is, Jen, how do I slow the aging process? I know for myself, I think about that often, like, how do I slow it? And so I've compiled a list of 6 steps, very simple ones, of how to slow the aging process, and I want to share them with you right now. All right, you ready? Get a piece of paper. Here we go. Okay, so step 1. You're gonna be like, there's no way this woman just said this, but I did. More water. Our bodies are 80+% water. And so we need to hydrate. I don't have any other way to say it. We're gonna look like old prunes if we don't, number 1, hydrate. So hydrate, just sticky notes, whatever it takes. Put sticky notes in places. I just need you to hydrate. If you're already doing that, bonus. Number 2, less chemicals. Now, do I color my hair? Yes, that's where I choose to put some chemicals. But when I say less chemicals, I mean, like, can we please stop using bleach, okay, to clean our bathrooms, and spraying Lysol and all this stuff and this thing like called Kaboom or something? I actually get violently sick when I used to use this one purple looking chemical back in the day, like to clean my house. I was like, whoa, this is when I started to get a clue that chemicals really affect our health. So chemicals in our soap, chemicals in our food. I always say a quick way to know, what's good to eat is what has the least amount of ingredients. Less ingredients, less chemicals. Less ingredients, less chemicals. Okay, so number 1, water. Hydrate. Number 2, less chemicals. In the stuff we're cleaning with, in the stuff we wash our clothes with, okay, I use, and I'm not perfect about it. I might be a Whole Foods or a 7th generation, something where there's no perfumes. I don't use Tide anymore and all this stuff where if you don't wash your clothes for a week, your clothes still smell like the detergent. That's a little scary, okay? Like, how many chemicals are on those clothes? All right, so number 2, chemicals. Number 3, similar to number 2, but different. I need you to eat real food. I don't mean the stuff in a package. I always say if it didn't come from God and it's not like a 1 ingredient food, eggs. Not an egg sandwich from Costco that you got to nuke for 2 minutes. Have you read the ingredients in that? I swear I don't even think egg is in any of the ingredients on the list. So please don't do that stuff. If you got to open it up in a wrapper, I usually say it ain't real food. So number 3, eat real food, okay? Body doesn't have to use its life energy to digest that stuff. So eat real food. Okay, number 4. I'm not gonna say, go to the gym, go work out, because that stuff bores me. What I am gonna say is get regular movement. If you like to ballroom dance, go do that. You like to hike, go do that. I like to row at the gym. I happen to really love rowing. For others, they love to go on long walks. Others like to swim. I like the ballroom dancing idea. I had a client that said, I need movement, but I love to dance every week. I'm like, that is movement. I'm not attached. I just need the body to move. When the body moves, it detoxifies. Yes, it gets blood flowing into your heart from all your parts. Yes? Get your heart pumping. You like that? All your parts. But really, blood flow through everything. When you're walking, you're welcome to have light weights or just move your arms. Do things. Get movement. Stale blood from your extremities into your heart, back out. Okay? That's number 4. Number 5, and I know this one is not super easy, but you got to figure it out. And there's plenty of videos from me on sleep in here. So go search through my channel and find where I talk about I need you to sleep. Seriously, of everything I'm talking about, and I got one more to go, sleep has got to be probably the biggest one. Our body repairs when we sleep. It burns fat, it detoxifies, and it repairs itself. If you are not sleeping well and it's been a long time, gosh, hit me up, find me, hit up my website, join the Sugar Freedom Method, link somewhere around here. Really important, okay? Sleeping, you will age faster if you do not sleep. The body needs to repair. So I got a little quiet on that one because so many women come and say, Jen, it's been over a decade. And I go, oh gosh, please let us help you. Okay, women who join the Sugar Freedom Method or our Freedom Club. You gotta be sleeping, my friends, okay? It affects your weight, your metabolism, it affects your mental game, it affects your cravings, it affects everything. All right, so that's number 5. Number 6, I love this one because if you've been following me, you know, like I'm a big goofball, and when I'm with my kids, I am a super big goofball. I need us to have more fun, okay? I find we're just too serious. My husband, however, is not that serious. He plays games with that dog, and I'm like, you've got to be kidding me. What are we, 12? And as much as I yell at him at night because I'm trying to put the kids to sleep, the truth is, like, he has fun. And he's turning 50 this month. And I'm going to tell you now, or this year, I should say, but still, right around now. Guy looks really young for 50, and I always think, what's his secret? Well, he doesn't eat a lot of junk. He hangs out with me, so I get him to drink water. He doesn't have a lot of chemicals. He has a lot of fun, and he's very active on his mountain bike. He hikes. He loves to go backpacking. He's always fixing something outside. By the way, if you fix things, that counts. He's always fixing things, okay? He's moving. He's lifting things. He's building fences. He's putting extensions on our house, like active. But he has fun. So I'm going to leave you with today. Water, less chemicals, real food, move, sleep, and please go have some fun. Fun. It lowers our cortisol levels. All of these things I talk about have a biochemical reaction in the body, so I don't just say them to say them. But fun, like, we de-age when we have fun, and we smile, and so go have some more fun. Go have some more fun. And as always, I will be in touch, always. And as always, if you love my work, I get so happy when I see my community growing. It just means I'm providing you with the right information and you enjoy my work. And that means the world to me. So thank you for that. I will be in touch soon, and just make it a great day.